We have
Hi guys. So may ada kami yan na bodol fight na matatabo. Di prepare na itong bodol fight.
Gun holstered, magazine inserted. Condition 3.
Bodol fight later.
F6 may mga condition. Condition 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, gun holstered, magazine inserted, no chamber load. Upon signal, engage target as seen inside the demarcation lines. So may mga demarcations lines.
May ipaglaban kami later. Kain ka kung pwesto ha.
Yung singer ay ginawa kong proper. Keeper proper.
Kain ka kung pwesto
Keeper
rin ng mga
proper.
lugar. Dida ka, sige.
First score.
Kain ka man liwat unin na mga pwesto. Hindi ka dida.
Singer ay yung activity. So reminder lang ha, yung mga rings.
Okay, ready. Ready. Ready na, ready.
Hammer down. Holster. Maghintay ng
Ready na.
command ng range officer.
Okay, prepare. Magkikipaglaban tayo.
Oo ha?